The first option for you to do is to try and troubleshoot. First of all, you right click on this internet icon, then you select troubleshoot problems. Troubleshooting will begin. Then you select Wi-Fi, and it will find that the Wi-Fi adapter maybe is disabled or it's not present. To try to troubleshoot, this one is administrator, so I'll select try to troubleshoot as an admin. And that is it. The issue has now been fixed. If you see here, I'm already connected to my Wi-Fi. The second option is for me to search. First of all, search device manager. After search device manager, I'll navigate to this one. Navigate to network and adapters. After navigating to network and adapters, I'll select my wireless adapter. My wireless adapter here is this dual band wireless AC. And by the look of things, it seems that the wireless adapter is disabled. So I'll try to enable the device. And if I enable the device, it will be connected to the network automatically. That is it. Try to check these two options. If they don't work, please make sure you comment in the description. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.